Cam, oh today.
Well, today we're in Agape Church in Bucharesti, and we're here with the Ashfields, and I'm just going to ask them a few questions. So yeah, it's been an amazing week. What have you to say about the whole area? Yeah,
It's an amazing transformation.
sorry, don't hold my mic.
So sorry. No, it was an amazing transformation. The group was just been absolutely superb, you know. Especially Callum here.
Who would say was the best team player, and obviously not me?
Very hard decision, you know, they're all very equal, you know. I can't actually pick one, so they'll have to be equal.
Okay, that's very good. And one word to sum up the whole happenings.
All in 2015.
Hear that, guys? All in 2015.
Another one-word answer from Steve.